caught me right in the middle of a spelling bee. In fact, I'm next. I just gotta wait for him to call my name, and then I get to spell another word. Slayton.
Matty McFine.
Oh, that's me. Here I am, Matty McFine. That's me. I'm ready for my word.
Spell Mississippi.
Mississippi. Am I saying that right?
Yes.
Mississippi. Okay, Mississippi. Okay. What is the origin of the word?
It's French.
Okay. Can you use it in a sentence?
We visited the state of Mississippi.
Mississippi. Is that right? Mississippi.
Yes.
Right. Mississippi. Yeah. Oh, all right, I think I got it. All right, here we go. M-R-S period. Capital H-I-P-P-I-E. Mississippi.
Correct.
Yeah! Oh boy, I got that one right. You can't wait for the next one. I'm really good at this here spelling stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the Funny Farm Comedy Club stage, Mr. Fizzy.
Hey everybody, welcome to another episode with Mr. Fizzy telling some great riddles and jokes. Oh, hey, hello everyone. Hey Mr. Fizzy, what do you want to talk about today? Oh, I thought I'd start with a question. Start with a question? That sounds good, let's hear it. Oh, well, it's for you. It's for me? Yeah. Okay, well, let's hear it. Oh, well, what did you want to be when you grew up? Oh, when I was little, what did I want to be when I grew up? Oh, yeah. I wanted to be a cartoonist and work for Disney. I thought that'd be really fun working for Walt Disney. Oh, that'd be great. What did you want to be when you grew up? Oh, I wanted to be an astronaut. Oh, an astronaut would be fantastic. Oh, yeah. But, my dad said the sky was the limit. Oh. You can only go as high as the sky. You couldn't go anymore. So astronaut is out of the question. Oh, I know. I couldn't go to outer space. Oh, no. Oh, my gosh. Well, you could be a pilot or something like that. Oh, well, I am a bird. Yeah, that's right. You are a bird. You can fly. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You know why the sky's so high? Oh, that's a good question. Why is the sky so high? Oh, so birds don't thump their heads. Yeah, you wouldn't want to fly up there. Bink! Ah! That would kind of hurt. Oh, I know. It was horrible. Yeah. Oh, gosh. Yeah, that would be bad. I wouldn't want to bump my head flying around. Oh, my gosh. But, some of these jobs like astronauts and, pilots and stuff, you have to be really good in school. Were you any good in school? Oh, I was okay. Hey, the little bird got in trouble at school? Why did the little bird get in trouble at school? Well, he got caught tweeting on a test. Tweeting. A bird tweet. Oh, I know. Oh, that's all I got. That's all you have today? All right, everybody. I'll tell you what. I would still love to be an illustrator and a cartoonist for Disney. Oh, I'd still like to be an astronaut. Yeah, that'd be great. That'd be a lot of fun. The sky's the limit. I know, we can't go too high, can we? Oh, no. All right, everybody, until next time. Can't wait to see you then. Oh, leave a comment. Yeah, leave a comment down below if you want him to tell any types of jokes. Oh, yeah, I love jokes. Oh, he does. He loves telling them, and I love hearing them. Can't wait to see you guys later. So long. Hey, everybody, it's me again, Magical Matty, host of the Magical Matty and Friends Show. And today we're going to talk about an amazing road trip. It's called Professor's Nightmare. It's a real head scratcher, let me tell you. We start with 3 pieces of rope. A short piece, a medium length piece, and a really long piece. pieces, all different sizes. Small, medium, and large. Look at that. 1, 2, and 3. So how does the trick work, Matty? Well, I'm really glad you asked. Well, we're going to put the pieces of rope here. And here's the secret of how it's going to work. We're going to take all the pieces and pull them up to the top here. Hold on, let me get my piece here. That piece, fold it in half. Take this piece and fold it in half and bring it up to the top. And then take the long piece and bring it all the way up here to the top too. Now, all the pieces of rope are folded in half. We should have 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right, all 6 ends are right here. We're gonna grab the magic wand, say the magic words, yippee skippy, same length. And just like that, all 3 of the pieces of rope are now exactly the same length. Look at that! Isn't that amazing? 1, 2, 3, all now the same length. We started with different lengths and now they're all the same length. That is really, really amazing. 3 pieces of rope. We've got 1 medium one right here. We've got 2 medium ones right here. And then we've got the 3rd one right here. All 3 the same length. Now, what's even better is watch this, how we put it all back together. Tie these 2 here in a knot. There we go. Those 2 are tied in a knot. Get those 2 pieces of rope tied together. And then we tie these 2 pieces of rope together. Just like that. Now we have 3 evenly length pieces of rope, all 3 tied together. Okay, now here comes the tricky part. We're gonna put the 3 even pieces of rope back to the way they originally started, the 3 uneven pieces of rope. How are we gonna do that? Well, I tell you what, it's all in the secret of these knots. Let me see here, let me grab my magic wand. Say the magic words, yippee skippy, change back to normal. Put my magic wand away, and 3 even pieces of rope now become 1 short piece, 1 really long piece, and then a medium piece on the end. You don't believe me? Well, let's untie the knots and see what we got. Untie the end over here. 1 short piece. 1 really long piece. And 1 medium piece. There we go. 3 completely different lengths of rope again. How did that happen? Oh my gosh. This is so much fun to do. It's called Professor's Nightmare. It is a fantastic rope trick. It takes a little bit of learning to do, but I know you can do it. Because the best part of these tricks is they come with instructions on how to use them. So if you follow in the link down below, you can get your own Professor Nightmare's rope trick. And you can amaze and wow all your friends and family. Hey, I can't wait to show you guys another trick next time. Until then, Magical Matty signing off.